Hi everybody. Welcome to Quantum Data. Today, we're going to go over the top candy companies in the world by sales from 1840 to 2019. Make sure to watch until the end, to discover which companies have survived over time. Enjoy! The candy manufacturing industry includes three major segments: companies that make chocolate from beans, companies that use purchased chocolate to make candies, and companies that make non-chocolate candy. Major companies include Hershey, Mars, and Mondelez International, all based in the US, as well as Barry Callebaut, Lindt, and Nestlé, all based in Switzerland, Ferrero, in Italy, Arcor, in Argentina, and Meiji, in Japan. Candy, perhaps humanity's greatest guilty pleasure. Candy isn't exactly known as the healthiest food there is, but sometimes you simply cannot resist a taste of its sweetness. And as long as you consume in moderation, there is nothing wrong with the occasional candy snack in between a stressful day. After all, candy, in moderation, can reduce stress, increase happiness and even lower the risk for strokes and heart attacks. Studies even show that people who regularly consume candy live longer on average. The candy industry, unsurprisingly, is a billion-dollar industry. When you think of candy, which brand names come to mind? Hershey's, Nestlé and Mars are familiar names in the United States, but not all famous candy companies are household names here. Some parent company names may sound unfamiliar, even though some of the lines they produce are popular candies in every supermarket in the US. Many top candy brands make lots of different types of treats, ranging from chocolate bars to fruity creations. Does your favorite sweet treat make the list of the top candy companies in the world? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of quantum data. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.